In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create captions for your videos using Caption AI. Whether you're a content creator or just want to add subtitles to your clips, this tool makes it super simple. Let's get started. First, go to your browser and search for Caption AI. Click on the official website link to open it. Once you're on the home page, click the Get Started button. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one using your email or Google account. Since I've already signed up, I'll go straight to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you'll see an option to upload a video. Click that button, then select the video you want to add captions to. After uploading, you can choose your translation language and pick a caption style. Once you've selected your preferences, click Create Project. Caption AI will now generate a new video with captions. If you don't like the default style, you can fully customize it. Change the font, color, shadow, stroke, and more to match your brand or vibe. You can even adjust the voice and caption color. Once everything looks perfect, it's time to export. To download the video directly, you'll need to upgrade to the Pro version, which costs about $2.50 per week. If you prefer not to upgrade, here's a cheeky workaround. Use a screen recording tool like OBS Studio to record your caption video, then upload it to CapCut to crop and polish it. Not recommended, but it works. And that's it. That's how you create caption videos using Caption AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.